free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Today, we'll be diving into the construction of a sleek and modern 12 by 12 pavilion with a flat roof design, perfect for enhancing your outdoor living space with contemporary style and functionality. This modern 12 by 12 pavilion seamlessly integrates into a backyard setting, offering a stylish and functional outdoor space. Its minimalist design and four-post structure create an elegant focal point that complements the surrounding landscape without overwhelming it. The open layout and ample openings on all sides allow for uninterrupted views of the garden or yard, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Its versatility allows for easy customization with outdoor furniture, lighting fixtures, and decorative elements, enhancing its role as a central hub for relaxation and entertainment. To anchor the 6x6 posts to the ground, first, dig holes to the required depth and width, typically below the frost line, and wider than the posts. Then, fill the hole with concrete and set the post securely in the center, ensuring it is plumb and braced until the concrete sets completely. Braces are essential components in our pavilion's framework, offering vital structural reinforcement and stability. Strategically placed between posts and beams, they help distribute loads and resist external forces, ensuring the pavilion's durability and safety even in challenging weather conditions. Our pavilion's roof relies on strong 2x6 rafters to support the durable 3/4-inch plywood decking, ensuring stability and longevity against weather elements. The flat roof of the pavilion features a minimal slope carefully engineered to facilitate efficient water drainage. This design ensures that rainwater flows away from the center of the roof, preventing pooling and maintaining the structural integrity of the pavilion over time. To complete the pavilion, we'll fill any gaps with putty, ensuring a smooth and seamless finish before sanding down rough edges for a polished look. Then, we'll apply a coat of paint, adding a protective layer that enhances durability.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell